hambani utalichira manje kuti hamba ndizoyenzani imali ayakho batishaya batumbulala tiyenzeni
haya banikipendlele bathi nje
batikhipha ngini hambani batishaya batumbulala tiyacela tiyahlupeka nje ona tiyahlala manje awukho lutho tiyacela
bendingayibona ingane encane zakhe
zingane wona zincane ziyahlupheka kuyabanda kodwa bathi gijimisa sinjini bathi hambani bathatha zonke izimpahla bathi shati yenzeni phela
abantu ekuyibona
ngathi bacela before ukuthi aninge zinyanga ukuthi maybe 3-4 ukuthi aba-foreigners hambani ngathi kazama plan ukuthi tihambe simphathe tihambe kahle bye South African angeke foreigners yeze lutho kodwa foreigners tiyahlupheka manje yonke indawo foreigners ikhona Malawian Zimbabwe Mozambique South Africa foreigners ikhona kodwa manje tiyahlupheka tizobalekela nasi tibantu phela thina
ya yona inkinga le manje waphela abantu ekuyibona ngaphela main reason ukuthi kuze kube ukuthi kanje ama-Nigeria
yebo yes
and ngisho ukuthi akhona
ama-Nigeria la awukho yonke empuyona lapha Malawian
Malawi
only ama-Nigeria ndatiyezela inkinga lapha Malawi akayezi lutho tiyathanda kusebenza tiyathanda kudesa izindlu angeke tiyeze lutho kodwa inkinga tibhisa lana in-Nigeria yadesa ama-drugs la South African ngathi wakatshela ukuthi in-Nigeria hambani osibheda ngathi atinika inyanga phela 3 maybe 4 tihambe kahle not ngathi namhlanje kutshela ukuthi hambani awukho right South African kusasa thina tiyakhala namhlanje kusasa South African izophendwa izokhala kanjani
bathini bathi
30 June azotishaya katifuni tiyacela awukho light tiyacela nasi ndibantu phela not inyama
unikeza isikhathi esanele
mhlawumbe noma 3 months notice
maybe 3 months 4 months umuntu ungahamba kahle uthathe simphathe zakho uguduka not one 30 June yaphela ukuthi zoshaya bayashaya bayambulala abantu baningi bashonile ndebhenut another people is die
ngizothiwe friend ukuthi bebekushaya bathi
phuma endlini bakuphumisa phandle bakuphuma ukuthi abatiphuma endlini bayaphumisa umlomo kuphela bayashaya bayalwa bayafa abantu baningi Malawian ishonile manje indaba lo bathatha khona awukho right tonke tibantu not inyama bantu
manje siswami kusunesikhathi singakanani hlela
mina ndisale 3 years now
yafika 2022
nda passport
wenza ntoni usebenza
ndiyasebenza overboard
family noma
ndiyasebenza ama-kitchen yes
domestic work
yes
manje bathe ama-South Africans bathatha
umsebenzi uphi amalaba yazama ezamagwinya filokho baphuma ezamagwinya lapha it's better tshela bahambe ukuthi ama-foreigners hamba tiyacela ukuthi ngathi wakatshela inyanga maybe 3-4 nditiyacela thina
ngoba omunye wade chaza laphana uthe amaZulu into aziyo yona ukuvuka hamba eqomela ahambe
yebo bayaziphuzela akafuni ukuyeza udaka amalawi bayeza udaka bayahamba phela bayasebenza akafuni ukuyeza amagwinya amalaba yeza amagwinya amalawa yazama ukuthi ndizame ndiyehlale kanjeni wabona amala angeke bathande kunjonje bayathanda kuzama
amaZulu athanda ukuntshontsha
amaZulu athanda kunjonja kuphela nje akafuna useza udaka isithina Malawi tiyasebenza udaka tiyazama tiyeza amagwinya tiyathenga ini amakinati tiyeza ukuthi zame ukuthi kusasa zakhaze ku-right
mahade ukasi
kodwa tiyathanda tiyacela ukuthi please angeke niyenze lento tonke ni black people not white people it's better tihlangane white people ahambane not black people yonke Malawian and foreigners ikhona angeke tiyeze lento kodwa ngathi situkumeza kusasa namhlanje tiyakhala thina kusasa ndi South African uGod wasophendula ngiyabonga
manje-ke so ungakahambi abantu abaningi bala e-South Africa ikakhulukazi besifazane kuthiwa baqoma kakhulu abantu bangaphandle nina njengoba niqhamuka ngaphandle yini ningawaqoma amadoda mhlawumbe amaZulu amaXhosa kanje
amaZulu akathandwa angeke wasapoti bafazi apa umuntu wathanda amaZulu uyamshiya bayakhumbulana so nasithi yasaba bona amadoda bamalawi baningi wanasingani la South African kuba nazosapota zingani zamalawi maybe umalawi washiya zingani la 4 kuba nazosapota ubani
Akuthiwa manje inkinga.
Awukho right guys.
Manje mhlawumbe uma ungabahlakaniphisa nje abantu bala ikakhulukazi amaZulu ngoba nami ngumZulu ubatshela abantu besifazane ukuthi abayeke ukuqoma abantu bangaphandle makwenzeka niphinde nibuya ngelinye ilanga seninamaphepha right.
Angazi angeke bavume futhi baningi ukuthi ababuye la South Africa akavumi ukuthi lento lemoyeza khona babona ukuthi bantu bamala bayahamba ukuthi lento moyeza irong angeke umuntu wavume yakhe yasebenza ukuthi aphinde abuye la angeke umuntu wayenze lokho ukuthi ngihlukumeza kakhulu isibhetha umuntu umnike inyanga 5 baba umtshela ukuthi hambani sizoqoqa kahle simphatsha lesingane sidiguduke phela sizame epulani disebenze dithathe imali guduke not namhlanje kumtshela ukuthi namhlanje ke hambani uyimali uzothatha
nakhona ngiyakushaya
uyanishaya futhi uyanibulala akukho right South Africa tiyakhala thina kusasa izophendula amen.
Community must work like this.
Yeba, mamela mhlekazi. Mamela mhlekazi. Asidlali ndiye. Adlali baba kakhulu. Yes, adlali. Madoda amajita mna nje awabamba straight because inombolo nami nje ngibhekile. If madoda ufuna kuliyo kuzawuliyo. Une criminals eziningi apha siyakuzwa ngo 1 by 1. Asoze thina singakwazi ulala because ezinja criminals ezilapha. And I tell you now if umuntu kwinsango apha ndafuna ndabuya uphinde uyivule le ndawo. Funga uma straight like that. Yimatata ndiyeza kuwe tata. Mthutshwala obuninzi apha ne-parking i-parking yakho ayikho right up awucomply nocomply kule ndawo yakho awucomply tu so makabani sanusi-invite thina asingamapolisa different not le nto mane ibona apha endawo andifuna apha e-24 kube kuze inonsense siya emaweni ngoku siqalile namhlanje day and night sava inombolo inamba izawuphuma uhlala phina siyakuwini noba usegeto siyakuleqa khona ematyotyombeni and baba usicimba ukuthi akubamba thini sawuthetha sobabili sawuxoxa samo sobabili on the freeway amajita wenu ntontoni uba size kubo ngoku basi-invayithile sabe seward 24 if nje wahlatywa umntu wadutyula umntu wapha aziyazi madoda soze kulala tata soze uphinde uvule ithaveni yakho ndaba xela ithaveni bonke soze phinde kuvulwe akawuvulwa some other time apha nithini ixela uba ngubani ubulele umntu wakho xa nifuna uba nepati kumnandi yenzani kakuhle nigoduke ningahlabani apha but kwahlatywa umntu wafa abantu apha kule ndawo akho thaveni izawuvule wa-24 noba ningamatsha uthini noba ungamatsha uthini ungamatsha akhona iza kwenzeka tu asoze kuvulwe sanileqa 1 by 1 ezihlala noba usetyotyombeni siyangena thina lamajita la undercover unxiba eziweni unxiba hayi azidlali ke ntanga uyawubiza umama akho
oba for serious
My wife from Mark.
yendaba wafa sinandaba nalonto leyo buza uthi wena mumuntu utshela siyadlala la sizoyicisha le camera
uthini i-country yami akanise yakana
ngibuza loo nto uzwile nje yindaba ukuthi wena usuka la akubona ukusenza ilima lokho
can I speak English? I can't get
khuluma ke usuka kuphi ekhaya
Ghana.
eGhana
Yeah.
wasuka eGhana wancamela ukuza le hunting
Yes.
all the way from Ghana then you prefer hunting
Yeah.
uyazi kanjani hunting how do you know hunting
Yeah, because my family was here.
yo
My family was here.
your family
Yes.
where
Here, Oxford.
ayikho lonto namanga ayikho nto lonto
Lo ama-TV
wena
wakho
soyicisha wena
Ghana
le
futhi.
camera wena uzafuna sixoxe nawe
Bafuna
kwamanje
ukuthi-
uzoloku usenza ilimi ilalela baba asile la uzodlala asile la
I'm
uzodlala
talking serious.
asile la uzodlala asifuni futhi ukuletha nje imizwa yakho ukuyenza imizwa ngazathi i-right so musa ufuna ukusipetula umoya baba asidlali la ise-harding la ingakithi la i-harding elethu odadewethu laba abanisebenzelayo la abafowethu abanisebenzelayo la so awusukwenza bona iy'limi uphinde wenze nathi iy'limi ungalingi ulenze lelo phutha lelo izophelelwa ibhetri lefoni manje ungasenzeli lo nto leyo sixakekile le hadingi ihadingi iphetulile limabheketwane ihadingi kodwa kunomuntu ozodlala ngathi usuka kamati kodwa isixhosa awusazi isizulu awusazi susixhaphaza laba musa nje kusixhaphaza funa manje ukuhambise amagama amabi ukuthi siyanilwisa siyanishaya senza yonke into sani kusixhaphaza ngadlani nje ngathi
Sibongo, kama nesibongo.
seningi
Name and surname, my brother. You just talk the truth. The old men are very serious, my brother.
Must say number yakho.
cabanga ukuthi wena ehadingi sihambe ehadingi lonke singene sizosaba wena kuphela ehadingi sabe wena wedwa ubani wena Harding. Harding thina siyabaza abantu abasatshwana abahlonishwayo.
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Good morning, people. Good morning, Africans. In fact, I want to greet those ones that are in South Africa. Those are the ones that I want to talk to now. Never mind the ones that are in our country. I want to mention the ones that are here. All the people that are calling South African xenophobic. All your leaders in your country that say South Africa is xenophobic. We get MTN here. We are going to break it. We get ShopRite. We don't want ShopRite again. How you go eat? Now bushmeat you go chop. Are you okay? Now bushmeat you go chop. ShopRite there your country now because of you. Your sister, your brother, your uncle, your grandmother, everybody. They work for not be South Africans that work there. You people don't get sense. You people don't get sense. ShopRite there for you. For you to go and buy food. For your sister to work there. Who be electrician for that shop? Who be cashier for that shop? Who they pack food for floor? For shelf? You know be Nigerians? You know be your brothers and sisters? Now you want to go and say, we don't want that thing. We don't want ShopRite. We don't want MTN. Now your network, also they use MTN, Vodacom, Sensi, everything. Our MTN, they work well. If you say they come out ShopRite, they go and come out town. Now your problem. But, so to see, any person in our country will not get paper. If you are not registered for our country, please, I beg, come out our country, go. We no fight, you know. We no fight. We not being xenophobic. We just they ask nice. South Africans are not xenophobic. We not be xenophobic. The only thing where we they talk, now say, if you not get paper, how did you enter our country? You not get paper. Any person who come out their country need to go to that embassy. If you go China, go to China embassy. If you go South Africa, we get embassy for Nigeria. You go to that embassy, you tell them, okay, I'm going to South Africa, I'm going to visit. Who are you going to visit? They want to know where are you going to sleep? Proof of where you're going to sleep. For how long are you going to be there? What are you going to do there? That is where you get permit from our embassy. Hey, why do you have embassy? Why do you have embassy? We have your South Africa embassy here in China. Are you utilizing it? Are you using it? One momo tell me say, no, I dey go there. They are asking me a lot of questions. I don't want questions. Do you know how many Niger? Yeah. How many Zimbabwe? Yeah, where they sell food for road. You walk outside the side. There's one mini Lagos here in South Africa. Called Sunnyside. You walk out there, plenty Niger people that they sell food for road. Okay, I ask you now. When you go to embassy, what reason did you tell them? I'm going to sell food in South Africa. Are you okay? Are you mad? I'm going to sell sweets. Yesterday I went to cut my hair and I see one old man stand there for shop. You want sweet? You want sweet? This man. How did you enter the country? Because we are saying any person who comes to our country, they need to be documented. We need to know about you. We are not xenophobic. And another thing I want to mention, South Africa does not promote people that are looting shops. No, it is not part of what we are doing. Other people, they are using that opportunity to go and do it. That is when the police must come. And don't say we have South Africans here in our country. Go and investigate them. If there's South Africa in your own country that are not working, they are doing this, go and investigate them. How did they get the paper? How did they? And even you people that say we get paper, we get passport, we get ID, South Africa ID. We want to know how you got that ID. Because there's a procedure to get ID. We know the 419 job what they do. We know them. No say, no, I get ID. Okay, where you get them? We want to know where you get them. Where you get them because we know how you people they get this thing. Now the same reason why you people enter this country. We get South Africans officials that are corrupt. There's one documentary for television. where they show this guy. This guy, they give people ID. He did. We know how you people do it. So we are asking in the name of God, go back. If you know you don't have paper, not all foreigners must go. People understand. Maybe if I talk like this, maybe if I talk using your accent, you people go hear us well. We no fight. We know the fight. We no fight. See, we are just saying, people, please, if you know that you don't have paper, go back. Now, my own sister, we born South Africa, get belle, go hospital, government hospital. She not get money, go private. Now she won't go private, government. When she go government, hospital they full. Who they full that hospital? Now foreigners. Mama, where are you from? Zimbabwe. Do you have your passport? No, I don't have a passport. How did you enter here? Where do you? But you are occupying the space. Do you people know how the government hospital are run? South Africans are paying tax for their own sisters and brothers that are not working. You go to the hospital, you get medicine, you get drip. The nurse, where they work there, they have to get paid. The doctor, the cleaner. How do you think people? Government is paying those people. That is our tax. That is what we are paying. And we don't have a problem to pay tax. We are paying tax for our own sisters and brothers. Tomorrow is me that I'm not working. I'm going to the hospital. That government hospital. Now you people are coming in your country. All of you. Ghana, Cameroon, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, everywhere. Now you want to go. And I don't understand why you people, every now and then you come to South Africa, you come and do it. Two months, see, you get belly. You go to a hospital. Are you okay? Stop doing that thing. If you want to go and do that thing, go back to your country and do them there. Idiot. So we know the fight too. South Africa know the fight, I beg. We are just asking you to go back to your country. Go get correct papers, come back. Now, so we know the fight. We know the fight, I beg. And if you are here with correct papers, you can stay. As long as you can show us how you got the paper, it's okay. Thank you.